Hello everybody, I'm back. Okay, this is gonna get funny, but I'll wait till a few of you make it back on before I tell you the story. So, if you are joining us now, you missed part one. Part one, we made this lovely card. We are now on to part two. The reason we had to do it into part one and part two was my poor child was coming to me to tell me that there was somebody at the door. And I assumed it was the gentleman that I knew was coming to pick up an order this morning. Turns out that is not who it was. So he said to me that there was a man at the door, but when he said a man, I knew that there was a man coming to pick up an order for his wife today. So that's what I assumed was going on. It turns out that that was not what the man was here for. The man was here to spread the good word. So my poor child was up there thinking it was a Stampin' Up! Customer trying to get my attention to come up and help him because he thought he wanted to see his parents. Yes, that's all. Anyway, we are all good. I am so sorry. So if you missed part one, we are doing part two right now. This is my January 19th card class that I just thought I'd give you a kind of a little peek into now so you can see what's in it. It is an incredible kit from Stampin' Up! You have to watch the replay later. Good, do it, Jojo. If you missed part one, you can see it. It actually should be on my Facebook page already by now because I hit share the second I ended it. But yes, so we just had a little incident at the door where we had someone coming to, my son thought they were picking something up. They were just more coming to share the word. So once he figured out what was going on, he came down to tell me. It was pretty cute. Okay, so I'm getting out the bits here. Not my bits, the bits on the leaves. I have a strange feeling today is going to be one of those gong showy days. Do you ever have those where you just kind of giggle and you're like, it's going to be one of those days. Okay, so we have got our leaf bits. We've got that. Now, I'm going to give this little brush off because I got a lot of green going on here. I'm going to go back into my stamp set. Don't apologize for realness. Oh my gosh. Well, it is pretty funny. And I have to say, between hubby kids, like having hubby, the two dogs, and two boys, ages 13 and 14, it does surprise me how good we have gotten with it so that nobody does kind of intervene. Ooh, Steph Mulder, I have a bag here for you. It arrived yesterday. As soon as I am off my video, I will go and get it ready for you so that you can pick up. Steph Mulder, you know which one it is. It's your snowflakes. Woo woo. Okay, so we have got this one here now. Okay, so this one we're going to is So Glad We Are Friends. This one. There, let's ink this up. Again, I'm doing it in Versamark first because I find it just prevents a little bit of the staining that you can get sometimes with photopolymer stamps. Inking it up in Coastal Cabana. And then we're going to go in here and go, So Glad We Are Friends. Now with this, I'm going to kind of make sure I can see over top. I want to make sure I'm straight. My toque's in the way. I'm wearing a toque. Yes, I'm Canadian. I'm wearing a toque as we speak. There we go. Okay, looking cute. Clean that one off. Now, I did stick this on already. You can use Tombow to put it on. I did not because I will wear Tombow. Tombow will be all over me. It is comical. It's like a 2-year-old has dealt with it. So we're not going to have anyone bear witness to that on a live video, and we'll just kind of roll with the fact that that doesn't work for me. I will use it for certain things. Okay, so this one we're going to go like this. Take a little loop. Just do one loop. Yep, that'll work. Okay. Okay, so those of you who missed it when I had to disappear because there was somebody at the door who I thought was here to pick up an order. They were not here to pick up an order, but instead it was someone coming to share the word with my child. So yes, we giggled because that's what the person was at the door who he thought was here to pick up an order. Now I'm giggling because I told you it was going to be one of those days. My poor husband is coming in the back door right now, and he was at the fire hall and is picking something up for me. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got that on. Ta-da! Now we're going to come in here and we're going to take these gorgeous little green elements. Got them. And we're going to stick those on the back. You guys, I think I'm in love. Look at this. Okay, let's go down here. I'll stick you on. Now, it's kind of good. The way I had already stuck that snail on, it does make it quite easy. You just have to make sure that you've got enough snail to cover your bits. Okay? So, you don't want to leave your bits uncovered. I'm such a child. I'm so sorry. Seriously, sometimes you guys must be like, Ange, how about you get some maturity? Because maturity is nowhere near as much fun as acting like you're 12. Okay, there we go. Stick you guys on the back. Love. Oh, you guys, it's so cute. You just got to watch with glimmer paper and what's it called? Snail. Because once it gets a little bit too glimmery, you can have problems. Okay, so we're going to slap some of these on. And I'm going to put more than one on. We'll use them to kind of hold things in places. So if you kind of get that guy on there, he'll hold him down. You on there, he'll hold you down. Ta-da! Okay, pull the back off. Okay, see, now the puppy is crying because Daddy left the room and he wanted to go with Daddy. Good Lord. Okay, you ready? So we're going to put that one on there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Beautiful, and the colors are unreal. Okay, let's take you. We're going to have to find one more of our little yellow flowers. I'll find it, I promise. I know it's here. And then we'll take you. You're equally enjoyable to listen to. You're really sweet, Carol. Thank you. Oh, I think sometimes you guys must just shake your heads and go, seriously, girl, what are you doing? Okay, so let's move you out of the way. Now I'm trying to find that one. Oh, there it is. I was like, I knew we popped out 3. I wanted one of those little last flowers. I'm going to come take him. This one we're going to tuck just off the card there. Now, remember, they gave us the rhinestones, so we're all good. We're not having to like go out and buy additional products to do this. When you come to the class on the 19th, you will be absolutely set. You'll have everything in your kit you need to assemble it, and then I'll have the ink pads here, and I'll have the stamp pads, so you don't need anything, or the stamps, so you're not going to need anything extra. But look at that one. You guys, look at these. I feel like that's not straight. Okay, so here's the trick. If your card's not straight, just tip your head. Look at it. Everyone, hold your head. Now look at it. Tilt your head slightly to the side and go, oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? See, now you can't tell it's not straight. Okay, so remember, these things, like, you don't need all those. You're not going to need anything extra when you come to this class other than your kit. Now, if you choose to do this as a take-home kit, you are going to need to make sure that you have got a lovely lipstick and a Coastal Cabana ink pad that coordinate. And then you're also going to want to make sure that you've got the stamp set. Okay, who should we do now? Let's see. I think I'm going to go to the floral one next and do this guy. You ready? Okay, so for this one, we need that bluey card base. Oh, you guys, I don't even want to use this. Like, look at it. Dreamy, dreamy, dreamy. Now, if you're like me and you're going, oh my gosh, I want this stuff, but I want it like yesterday. I don't want to wait, Ange. So there's a way around that. Here, now look at this. Watch the rocket science here as I figure out how to put this one on. The way around it is just join my West Coast Creators team. Now, I did talk about it yesterday, and you can kind of see the information there. And you can purchase all these items as part of your starter kit right now. So for a starter kit in Canada, it's $135 for $165 worth of product. And then you don't pay any shipping or taxes for us here in Canada, which is kind of dreamy. Now, this looks to be a tad smaller. So I want to make sure I got the right one. Were there other oh, there were. Okay, look, see, pay attention. Look at that. We needed the bigger one. Are you impressed that I actually figured that out? Okay, now, hope your day is as amazing as you. Did we already use that stamp? I don't think so. Okay, let's pull you out. And we're going to knock this one off. I know, Core, isn't it insane? We're going to put you on here. Oops, we're going to go like this because I'm using a stamp that's longer and I'm too lazy to go get the other block. Okay, so we're going to ink this bad boy up in Coastal Cabana. We're going to brush off any glitter. And we're going to come down here. Stamp that one. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is, let's look at the picture. Let's see if we can figure this out. So again, not rocket appliances, but for me, as I mentioned before, not a big fan of using my Tombow Live because I'll wear it and you will all lose respect for me. And so I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to slap a few kind of glue dots on here and here. I'm back. Oh yeah, Jacqueline, we figured it out. There was someone at the door sharing the word. And that cracking sound was not me or the stamps. It was just my husband. We're all good. Okay, so let's pull off now the little backings. I guess I could use the tool for this too, couldn't I? Tombow is the best. Yeah, but Jacqueline, that's because you're skilled with it. Have you witnessed me with it? It is a disaster. Like, it's actually, seriously, it looks like you are watching a kindergarten child do their gluing. You'd be like, Ange, seriously? They let you teach grade 7? Yeah, because I don't have to teach them how to use glue. They already know how. They learned that when they were little. The things you learn in kindergarten. Okay, so let's stick that on. Love it. Beautiful. Okay, then we're going to take this. I'll take this guy and we're just gonna slap him on to here. Now we've got this one all ready to go. So this one, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a couple more dimensionals. Oh, Wendy, is Angie keeping everyone organized? She's like, hello, get on. She's showing it. So this card kit is to die for. And if you missed the name, this is called The Incredible Like You card kit, and it is my January 19th class, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna come in here. So you'll notice I don't cut off my twine until I've tied it. I just find it helps me not waste as much. Okay, so we're gonna come in here, pull you. Now again, we're gonna need rhinestones for this one, but you don't have to worry, they're in your kit, you're all good. Grab your take a pick tool, stick you on right there, pick up the backing. Oh, now I stuck it in the side. Hang on, we gotta get that out. Come here, you. Oh, we'll just wedge you on the side. There we go. Put you right onto there. Yes, she's looking after us. We all need people like that in our lives. I need people to tell me what to do. I need to be managed. Okay, so then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna grab you. I'm gonna put you up here. I'm just doing these exactly as the card kit shows. Now, remember, you are gonna have people who are gonna blow your minds as they create gorgeous new things. My, gotta get this now, totally. Look at this. Beautiful team. Absolutely love it. Now I'm slapping on, I might run out of rhinestones because I'm gonna slap an extra one onto this because it only has 2 and I can't handle that. So I'm gonna stick an extra one on there. Okay, so cards we've done so far. This was the card, whoops, from the part 1 video, okay? And then we've done these 2 here, okay? So we've got these 3 gorgeous cards. Now let's go in and do that last one. Okay, now you watch today. I will post later in the comment section today. I'll post the link for where to register for the class and we'll get that all kind of organized. Now this one, again, you just got to make sure that you're putting it on the right way because look, if I put it on the wrong, oh, that doesn't match up. Look and see, haha. Okay, so again, I'm going to tip it downward and we're going to come back in and we're going to steal those glue dots for me because that's how I roll. Now I've also, you know what else I've seen people put Tombow on with is sponges. And I'm like, huh, again, sounds like a way for me to get covered in glue. Let's not grab it from the middle because that'll make other people crazy. Stick one there, pull your little backing off. And then we'll do the same thing up here, okay? I don't know why I'm whispering. I know, isn't it? Doesn't that background? Now the background is adorable even without the kind of little, changing it into like fruit. It's a super cute dotted background. Love it. But this just adds that other kind of je ne sais quoi. I do not know. It adds it. I don't know what. Okay, ready? Now I remembered which way I was tipping it. We're all good. Okay, now we're going to come in here. We're just going to stick that bad boy down. Nice and easy, okay? So next thing we need is, it looks like this guy goes in next, and I have got glimmer on everything. I am glimmering. You love the laser cut sheets. I'll be doing the same. Otherwise, I will smoosh Tom. Yeah, Cora, I hate to say this. I think you and I might be a little bit Tombow inept because seriously, it would be stinking everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to take this. It shows it kind of more over to this side, so we'll take it over. I'm going to pull it back a little bit. Okay, we got that one. Now, we do need to stamp our bits. Not your own personal bits, because that would be weird. Don't do that, please. Just a sec. We're going to grab the new stamp. Hello, Teddy Madden. So this is a kit coming up in the upcoming occasions catalog. It is my January 19th class, okay? So this time again, I'm inking it up in Versamark just because it's a brand new stamp. It allows that ink to adhere a bit better, and it prevents a little bit of that heavy-duty staining. Okay, so we're going to come in here. I'm going to clear off any glitter so I don't stick it to the stamp. We're going to come like this, and we're going to, I just adore you. Ta-da! Look at that. And then I've got my chamois right over here, and I just gave him a good scrub, okay? Okay, next thing we're going to do on this one is we're going to close this, and because you know me, we are also going to close these. Almost gone. Okay, there we go. Closed up. Now, the stamp set that comes, or no, doesn't come with the kit, but that you can purchase is absolutely equally amazing. You know those beautiful, lovely lipstick flowers that were in this one? I think after washing you using stamps as tattoos, that you can actually use these to make your own beautiful flowers. Look at, there's those gorgeous leaves, the stripy background. Like, I honestly cannot wait to play with this stamp set on its own too. But this kit, I don't know, it's unreal. Okay, so we have got this guy. Now it looks like we're gonna do a little bit of one of these. Foop, foop. Okay, take that. Okay, now I'm going to be honest, with stuff like this, I'm not big on, can you see in here how they did it in circles? I'm not big on that way. It's just kind of not my style. So all I'm going to do is I am going to take this and I'm going to slap some snail on the back like that. And then I'm going to take mine and do it a little bit more on the diagonal. And you might love the circle one. Do the circle if you love the circle. You can't wait for next Saturday's class. Neither can I. It's our Christmas class. Okay, next thing I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to adhere it. So how I am going to do that for me is I'm going to make sure you're all down. Now you're going like that. So I'm going to go on here and I'm going to put one here. Oh, too low. Sorry. Now I'm talking to myself. We're going to move you out a bit. There we go. Got it? Okay, we're going to peel those off. Then we're going to slap this onto there. Clean off your bits, okay? And then again, super easy, but we're just going to take a couple more dimensionals and I'm going to stick them on like this so that everybody's operating at the same height. And then we're going to take you and tuck you on like that. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Again, they rocked it with the card kit. It's so cute. Okay, so let's come in. Now they do, really? One rhinestone? There's gotta be more. No, there's only one. One rhinestone. I'm gonna stick it here though. I want them to pop a bit more than that. Okay, so let's see it. What do we got? Sorry, I'm moving all my bits. Now remember, if you want this actual kit now, I love the circle look, but I cannot figure out how to stick it down like that. Yeah, Jacqueline, I'm challenged with those. Here's the information here on how to sign up to be part of my team. And then you can actually order these items right now in your starter kit. And just start getting a discount for yourself, okay? You can be a discount purchaser. Okay, so check these out. Look at these 4 gorgeous cards. And then you've got beautiful envelopes to coordinate. And you can do some fun things with those envelopes. Stamp them up, as I said. Use this guy, use this guy. You're going to get some gorgeous kind of look to that one. Well, I feel like I want to try that. I will. When I get off, I'm going to try it. Anyway, January 19th, watch for the link. You're going to want to grab a spot in this class kind of ASAP because I cannot see it lasting long. And remember, in the card kit, you're going to get all the stuff. You're going to make 4 of each of these cards. I will supply the stamp set there and I'll supply the ink. You don't have to have those to come to the class, and then we'll just order you up your own card kit. So watch for your link and make sure you get registered for it as soon as possible. Oh yeah, Jacqueline, we get to order early. And Jacqueline, they get to be part of our West Coast Creators family. Woo woo! Anyway, you guys have an amazing day and I will see you again this weekend probably. Take care. Bye.